Hi guys, these micro camera animal POV videos have been going crazy viral on YouTube lately, like seriously viral. Some shorts are pulling 40 million views. Yeah, you heard that right. That's insane. So today I'm going to quickly show you how to create this exact type of shorts video using only free AI tools. Super simple workflow, nothing complicated. All right, let's jump right into it. So this right here is the prompt that I used. Yeah, it's a little bit long.
But honestly, it makes the whole process much easier and more consistent. All you have to do is copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, ChatGPT will return 20 different animals for you to choose from. For this example, I'm going to pick this one. Once you choose, ChatGPT will automatically generate 1 image prompt, 5 motion prompts.
And that's exactly what we need to start creating video. You can actually create videos like this using Doubleflow or Grok. I'll quickly walk you through how to do it on those tools.
Let's start with Flow. Now let's jump into Flow and start generating. First, paste the image prompt here. Select image, choose 4 images, pick the model Nano Banana 2, and hit enter. All right, now we just wait a few seconds. Once the images are generated, pick the best one. Then click on that image and select Add to Prompt. Now paste motion prompt number 1, switch to video, choose VO 3.1, fast, and press enter. Boom. Now we've got our first video clip. Next step, click on the video you just generated. Scrub to the exact frame where you want the scene to continue. Then right-click and choose Save Frame as Image. Once that frame is saved, go back and click the image you just saved. Then press Add to Prompt. Now paste motion prompt number 2 and hit enter. And just like that, you get video number 2. From here, you simply repeat the same process for motion prompts 3, 4, and 5. This keeps the visual continuity, so the camera movement feels like one continuous POV shot. Pretty cool, right? Once all 5 clips are done, you can upgrade them to 1080p, download everything,
and then combine them together in CapCut. Editing this kind of short in CapCut is super simple, so I'm going to skip that part for now. Next up is Grok.
For Grok, I picked number 16, the pocket gopher, Geomys species, and just hit enter to generate the prompts. Just paste your image prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then hit the arrow button to generate. Pick the best image, paste in motion prompt number 1, and click Make Video. Since we're using the free version, it only generates 480p for about 6 seconds. But honestly, the quality still looks super sharp. Once you get your first video, drag the timeline close to the end. Find the clearest frame, right-click it, and choose Save Video Frame As. Then go into Imagine, upload the frame you just saved, switch to video mode, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and hit Generate. From here, you simply repeat the same process for motion prompts 3, 4, and 5. Quick tip: save the video frame, then paste the next prompt into Imagine feature. I've noticed the results match the prompt way better than using Extend feature. And now, let's take a look at the final result.
Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to stick around. I got more AI tutorials coming up, and I'll see you in the next video.